Hello everybody, welcome to Teresa's channel. She is doing, how do you say it? Balayage? She's doing balayage! Do you hear me? Balayage on my hair.
Yeah. Hello, this is Terry the Squarey here with my long friend.
Yeah, like
She's
half her
long.
life.
Yeah. How many years have we been friends?
Like 22.
22?
Yeah.
2004 we met. I was 11. You had already been
Okay, we've been friends for like 16 years.
I thought it's 17 now.
17
at the end of this year. Now that we've gone all over the place, let me get back. So as I mentioned, I am Terry Squarey if you're new here, and this is my friend Caitlin, and she has graciously decided to let me potentially ruin her hair by following a Brad Mondo tutorial. I don't know if I want to say sorry Brad Mondo or if I want to blame Brad Mondo for this, but we're gonna have fun. And I might go off script a little bit. Sorry. Okay, so we have section. Do a little twirl, please. Por favore. Twirl. 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 360. Twirl. Twirl. Yes, twirl. Oh, okay.
I'm gonna hurt myself.
Twirl. Okay, so we have done what he said, which was section into 4, and then we are doing the diagonal route, and I'm going to do as close to what he said to do as possible. Let's show the world what we've done, Caitlin. The one with the crazy, unique name that your parents thought they were naming you. All right, so we have come to the end of the bleaching area. I hope I've done a decent job. We're gonna leave this for about 10 more minutes tops, and then come back, wash it out with some warm water, and then we'll show you where we're at, and then go from there.
One eternity later.
All right, we are back. Caitlin apparently is not back.
I'm sorry.
So,
Pictures.
well, I know you're gonna ask about this. You're probably already wondering what the hell. So, we had a party today. If you haven't noticed, it is neither the same night nor the next day. It is actually like 3 days later, and we haven't had a chance to actually like finish filming. And we had a party today, and you were like, you know what, now's the time. So we are
Sorry, I'm hungry.
let's hope that I have some gloves in this little thing, because that would suck if I don't. Let me show you what I have to dye her hair with. It's gonna be more of like a reddish copper color. I'm gonna use the brand Ion. Okay, cool. Ion Color Brilliance. The color is dark red blonde. So I have this same developer, 20. I don't have 10 because I'm not a professional. I don't know what I'm doing. This is the results of her hair being bleached, but like the combed out version because she has curly hair. So it won't always be this poofy. But I'm gonna go ahead and section it. We just mixed up our dye. I'm gonna section this and then go ahead and start the roots. Also, if my sister is watching this and she remembers when we dyed her hair auburn red, I'm sorry. I was 15. I had no idea what I was doing.
You did it when you were 15.
And I don't know why she trusted me, but I hope that doesn't affect.
How did it turn out?
It was bad. Okay, so she had dyed her hair a while previous, okay? And like it had grown out. It was blonde like this.
Mm-hmm.
And it had grown out to like, her hair was probably about this long.
And her color is naturally like yours, like
Very dark.
Okay.
Darker than mine.
darker than yours.
Yeah, and she has very thick hair too. And we were putting like a strawberry kind of red on top of it. So it was like strawberry blonde at the ends. And then it was very patchy. It was very, just like a no. Like nobody would want hair like that. It was bad.
So what'd she do?
I have no clue. I think my mom might have paid her to do a photo natural hair. She came to visit us in West Virginia.
Oh, okay.
So this is when I did this. Yeah, I just find that to be hilarious. I have hot Cheeto hands.
You even like hot Cheetos, or do they too spicy?
They're too spicy, unfortunately. They're delicious.
They are. They're addicting. They're so bad for you, though.
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna pause and come back after I mix up more dye. And I'm gonna try to merge, since I ran out of what I was doing, I'm gonna try to merge this stuff down as far as possible. We have now finished the dyeing process. It took way too long, and I did not use gloves, so I got a chemical burn in the little crevices, and I have these tiny little, I don't know if you can see them.
Learn what not to do from her mistakes.
Yeah, so I'm never doing that again. That was a really stupid mistake. We will meet you back in a little while after we wash out her hair. We probably won't show you the fully dried version tonight, but we will. I'll take some like B-roll shots of her hair tomorrow, and hopefully you can see it in the sunshine and see how it looks. So for now, goodbye. This is how you really know I'm not a professional. Is your hair down? She looks like the gingeriest ginger.
Like a little mermaid.
All right, so she looks like the gingeriest ginger that ever did ginger. It is red bordering on orange. So it definitely needs to be toned into a less crazy color. Now that I'm really looking at it and it's drying, it's kind of orange in a lot of areas. We're not exactly the happiest with this result, but
It's okay.
it is what it is. And we knew what we were
Could be
getting
worse.
into.
Like that time my mom tried to dye my hair ash blonde and it was green.
Yeah, this is better than green.
Yeah.
Straight up green. I'll throw in some shots from hopefully tomorrow out in the sunshine so you can see what it looks like dry. And feel free to roast me in the comments. Bye.